Hey guys, it's Xmar here, and I'm going to I have a tutorial today of for how to set up a Linux TF2 server without a GUI, so just through command lines. Here's my control panel in the background. My provider is endofreality or eoreality.net. I'll add a link to my affiliate link. It's pretty good. It's decently priced. I don't want to be biased since I do use it, so I don't want to be biased and say like give a false testimonial, but I think it's pretty decent. If you have another provider in mind, feel free to use that yourself. So first I'm going to open a PuTTY. You can just find this on the internet. Probably won't provide a link for it. It's not hard to find. It's just an SSH terminal thing. So first I'll copy and paste your IP address or your host name if you set one up, and your port is 22 usually since it's SSH. That's the default. You log in as root. If the first time it's usually called root, and your password whatever. I'm running Ubuntu 12.04.1 on 32-bit. If you are using 64-bit, you need to. There's a second piece of line that you have to put in if you're using 64-bit. So please keep that in mind. First thing I want to do is add a new user. I'm going to call it TF2. Why I'm doing this is because I don't really like what's it called? I don't like adding stuff into the root because it's just it's hard to organize. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. This isn't particularly hard to do. You can call it TF2 or whatever you want. It doesn't affect your actual server. Here I'll just log into that one, TF2. Alright, there we go. I'm logged into TF2, and from now on you don't have to log into root. You just log into TF2 directly. What's going on? Okay. Alright, so first thing I'll do is make a directory called HOTS. Actually, I already made one. Alright, so I already made one called HOTS, so I'll just move into that one, cd changes directory into HOTS, and I've already downloaded this one too, but since you need the command line, here it is. It's wget http storefront.steampowered.com/download/HOTS update tool.bin. Oh, or maybe I didn't have it. Okay. Oh, I did have it. I wonder if I can delete that. Never mind. Okay, I won't delete that. I won't delete that right now. But I've already downloaded it before, so now I have a second copy, which is pretty annoying. And then you have to make it so you can execute it. Change its permission so it's executable. Just put in chmod +x and then the file name. And then now we'll run this. And this is the terms of service. It's just putting yes to agree. You don't have to read it. I mean, legally you're supposed to read it, but don't think you want to read it. Here we go. I already made another directory called GS, so it's not like it's important. Sorry, it is important, but I already made one, so it's already existed. You can call it whatever you want. Call it game server or like just GS. I call it GS. It's faster to type. And then here we go. Put in Steam command update game tf directory GS. Alright, so now it's going to check the bootstrapper version and get the version 50 of Steam HOTS update tool. In the future, I'm sure they'll release like 51, 52, so it doesn't really, the number isn't too important. And alright, so this might take a while, but after this download, actually this is a really big file, so after this downloads, actually no, first what's going to happen is it's going to say Steam Linux client updated, please retry command. And then after that happens, just put in the same command and it'll start downloading. It should take like an hour or whatever. I already have a. Alright, okay, so I have a I already have. This is my second server that I'm showing you the install tutorial on. So here's my first server. By the way, another shameless plug: endofreality.net, or I mean eoreality.net. It's pretty easy to manage between your two servers. I have two of them because I liked it so much. This is my first server, which I already set up everything on, so I'll just show you how to run your server afterwards. Okay, so you log into your TF2 or whatever you named it, and then here go to change directory HODS, then game server, then orange box, and then here go screen ms TF2. And by the way, you don't need the Steam command. Screen command. What screen does is just opens it in the background. So after you close this session, you can keep it running. If you don't want it, you can just start at the start right here. But what happens is if you close your terminal, then the whole server closes. So I recommend using screen. There are other commands you can do it too, but screen is just simpler. EMTF. Let's see. There are a bunch of parameters you can put into this too, by the way. I'll put the math as Cough Lakeside Final. I'm gonna hit enter, but if you want to, you can add like debug, and then there are a bunch of other parameters you can find. Some of them is more important than others, and basically once you hit that, it'll say screen at the top because you are running it in a new screen, and interesting. Alright, so this, you see this, it just has all the log, it's just a big log. Somehow my port 27015 was closed, so I made another one. Here we go. Okay, so the important thing is you want to look at it here now, your public ID, just how to connect to it. You can just add it to your favorites connect. And it should say a connection to Steam server successful, and it should say anonymous Steam ID. If you don't have all three of these, then you need to update your client. That happens anytime you have to update your Team Fortress 2, you have to update your Steam server too. So it shouldn't be that big of a deal. And here we are. Now it's not going to say anything, I'm just going to stop here. Once you connect, it'll start saying blah blah blah, whatever your name is, has connected, and it'll say blah 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 has entered the game. And commands, you would say, commands for the actual server, like say hi. So in the game, it'll say console said hi, whatever, say this is a test. And then you can also run all your other CVAR commands, like tournament mode 1. I think that's command, something like that. So there we go. That's my tutorial. There's one more part to it. If you want to access the file connections, damn it. If you want to access the files, you can use any tool. I'm using WinSCP. You can just find that anywhere anyways. Here we go. Login, searching for host. Alright, it should open. Here we go. And then, okay, so like HODS, GS, Orange Box, TF, and then I installed some mods, so you can find the mods in add-on, source mod, plugins. You can see all the plugins I have, and you can just delete stuff from here, edit, change the server.config, like here. You can change this if you want to, and this makes it a lot easier than just editing it from command lines. So yeah, I'll post some important stuff in the description, and including the end of reality affiliate link if you want to buy from this place. Thank you. That was a weird ending. Yeah, so one more thing. Check out my channel for other commentaries. None of it's that great. I'm not too sure what else I'm going to be posting on my channel. But if you have any questions, leave a comment. I can help you out with this. Alright, cool. Bye.